When you search for the best brown rice, everything looks the same. Same packaging, same health claims. But to understand what really works for your meals, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Sukoyaka Genmai brown rice. First up is the Sukoyaka brown rice Genmai. This premium short grain rice caught my eye with its promise of organic quality and health benefits. It's priced around $15 for a 15-pound bag, which feels reasonable for the quality. If you want a nutritious, delicious option for your meals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This rice is packed with fiber, potassium, and vitamins B and E. That means it's not just a side dish, it's a healthy base for your meals, helping to keep you full longer. Plus, its sticky texture is perfect for sushi or rice bowls, making it versatile in the kitchen. You can expect around 40 to 50 servings from this bag, which makes it a great value. Now, some people complained about the cooking time being longer than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to wait a bit for perfectly cooked rice, it's not a deal breaker. This rice genuinely surprised me with its flavor and nutrition. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a healthy option for sushi or rice bowls. Skip this one if you need something that cooks in a flash. For the price, it offers fantastic value for health-focused eaters. Now, if the longer cooking time bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Sukoyaka brown rice, 4.4-pound package. It's similar to the first, but more suited for smaller households or those looking to try it out without committing to a big bag. If you want something convenient without sacrificing quality, this is worth considering. What stands out is its organic nature, which means you're getting a product free from harmful chemicals. This rice is also great for everyday meals, offering a wholesome taste that pairs well with various dishes. It serves about 20 to 25 portions, making it easy to incorporate into your weekly meal prep. However, a few customers noted that the packaging could be sturdier. But honestly, if you use it up quickly, that shouldn't be a major issue.
Product number 3, GABA sprouted brown rice. Coming in at number 3 is the GABA sprouted brown rice, weighing in at 2.0 kilograms. This one is intriguing because it offers sprouted benefits, which can be a game changer for your health. Priced similarly to the others, it's a solid choice if you're looking to boost your nutrition. The sprouting process enhances the rice's nutrient profile, making it richer in vitamins and minerals. That means you're not just eating rice, you're getting additional health benefits that can aid digestion and improve nutrient absorption. It's particularly appealing if you're focused on maximizing your meal's nutritional content. Some users did mention the taste being slightly different from regular brown rice, but here's the deal. If you're on a health journey, the extra benefits might outweigh the taste change for you. This is a great pick if you're health conscious and want to experiment with sprouted grains. If you're not ready for a taste shift, you might want to think twice. It's definitely worth the price for the health benefits. Now, if sprouted rice isn't your thing, the next option is more about traditional flavors.
Product number 4, Taj Gourmet brown basmati rice. Next up is the Taj Gourmet brown basmati rice, a favorite among those who love Indian cuisine. This 10-pound bag is priced competitively for its high quality. If you want a fragrant rice that enhances your meals, this is worth a serious look. This basmati rice comes from the Himalayan foothills and is known for its long grains and nutty flavor. It's not just for curries, it can elevate any dish. Plus, being high in protein and fiber, it aligns perfectly with a wholesome diet, helping you feel satisfied with each serving. It offers about 45 to 50 servings, making it great for family meals or meal prepping. However, a few buyers found it a bit pricier than typical options. Here's the thing though, if you appreciate quality ingredients and authentic flavor, the investment pays off. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cooking Indian dishes or want a flavorful addition to your meals. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler rice option. It's a solid choice for the quality and flavor. Alright, that was a flavorful option, but if you're looking for something a bit different, let's check out the last one.
Product number 5, Dynasty Jasmine Brown Rice. Last but not least, we have the Dynasty Jasmine Brown Rice, a 5-pound pack that comes with 6 bags. It's a good deal if you're looking to stock up.
If you want a fragrant rice that makes your meals pop, this is one to consider. Jasmine rice is known for its floral aroma and slightly sticky texture, making it suitable for various dishes. This rice offers a unique flavor profile that can make even simple meals feel special. Each bag serves about 50 portions, making it ideal for families or meal preppers. Some people found the packaging a bit bulky, which can be a hassle for storage. But honestly, if you're looking for great flavor and plenty of servings, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you enjoy fragrant rice that enhances your cooking. Skip this one if you're short on storage space. For the quantity and flavor, it's a smart buy. To wrap it all up, we've covered the Sukoyaka Genmai for its health benefits, the smaller Sukoyaka option for convenience, the GABA sprouted rice for extra nutrition, Taj Gourmet for flavor, and the Dynasty Jasmine for versatility. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most for your cooking needs.